Yes or no?
Yes.
हाँ, कनीज राजानी आ गई। राजानी कनीज।
उसको आपका लेक्चर नहीं पसंद।
हाँ, राजानी कनीज। Not speaking anything. Rajani Kaniz is there or not?
Yes.
No, not speaking.
No, sir.
Rajani Kaniz is not there.
No. No.
Why? Name is there.
सर वो है।
That I know very well, but she is not going to speak.
सर सो गई होगी।
लगता है फोन चालू करके सो गई। मे बी।
टीचर सुग्रा राजानी ने मॉर्निंग कर
हाँ? Okay, all of you have written the names, beta.
Yes.
Okay, I'm speaking the name. After that, those whose name is not coming, so you can tell me, okay? It's roll number one, Sara Fatima,
प्रेजेंट सर।
Bojani Zainab,
प्रेजेंट सर।
Bukhari Alia, Bukhari Alia.
प्रेजेंट सर।
Okay. Halari Alia.
प्रेजेंट सर।
Very good. Jamani Insia.
प्रेजेंट सर।
Okay. Kadwani Shabnam.
प्रेजेंट सर।
Okay.
मॉर्निंग सर।
Just a minute, huh? Lakhani Fatima.
प्रेजेंट सर।
Masani Sakina.
प्रेजेंट सर।
Okay. Merchant Sakina.
सर एस
S.
के किए।
S. S. Merchant Sakina S.
प्रेजेंट टीचर।
Present teacher. I'm teacher.
सॉरी सर।
Then who is this? Mariam Rupani 1249 roll number. What is this? Rupani Mariam, please on the mic. Okay, Rupani Mariam will be absent. Nakwi Kum Fatima,
प्रेजेंट सर।
Panjwani Fatima,
प्रेजेंट सर।
Pathan Muskan,
प्रेजेंट सर।
Nakwi Misbah Fatima.
प्रेजेंट सर।
Okay, Rajani Kanis Fatima, Rajani Kanis Fatima. Is she there or not? Okay, now whose name is remaining? Write it fast. Those whose name is remaining, write it fast. Okay, Nakwi Shifa. Very good.
सर।
Rupani Afrin. Afrin, first tell me what you have written, roll number 1 to 49. Rupani Afrin.
यस सर।
Beta, what you have written 1 to 49? What is this?
सर मैंने नहीं किया, मरियम ने किया है वो सब
Sorry,
कुछ।
Mariam Rupani. That only Mariam Rupani I am telling.
यस।
Is she there or not?
वो लेफ्ट हो गई।
Okay, no problem. Chalo. Kapasi Sukun. Sayyid Minsha Fatima. And Haryani Sakina. Okay, beta. So let us begin with our chapter now. We have completed one page in our offline class.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
We are starting with our second scene.
Same
Okay, scene number 2.
two.
Anybody remember about scene number 1?
Yes, sir. Can I say yes, Masani Sakina? I remember.
Okay, beta. Chalo, Masani Sakina, tell me.
सर मैं एब्सेंट टीचर सर हमने उसमें कह रहा प्रिंस उस स्टोरी में 3 मास्टर्स थे, किंग थे,
Yes.
प्रिंस सिद्धार्थ था और उसमें सीन्स 1 में था कि एक प्रिंस देवदत्त ने है ना एक बर्ड को है ना एक स्वाम को है ना उड़ रहा था ना उसको किल किया और फिर वो जो सिद्धार्थ था वो काइंड था, किसी को रोते नहीं देख सकता था, तो वो बर्ड के पास गया और उसको ले लिया। तो देवदत्त आया और बोला ये मेरा बर्ड है। तो सिद्धार्थ ने बोला नहीं ये तुम्हारा नहीं है। तो देवदत्त बोला कि हमारे किंगडम में वो नियम है कि जो मारेगा उसका ही है। तो तो सिद्धार्थ बोला हाँ ये तुम्हारा ही है पर ये मरा नहीं है और ये वाइल्ड है। वाइल्ड एनिमल किसी का होता नहीं है, ये वाइल्ड बर्ड है। बस इतना।
Okay. So I will tell you the story again. Okay. There was a king. There were the 5 characters. One was King Siddharth, then King Devdutt, 3 minister, an old man, Siddharth's father, Sudodana, and her mother, Queen Mahamaya. Okay. So let us I will tell you the story in very short. Siddharth was also known as Buddha. Yes or no? Gautam Buddha. He was known as Gautam Buddha. So he belongs to a royal family. Which family? He belongs to
रोल
a royal. Royal family means what is
रॉयल
royal
फैमिली।
family? Very rich family. Okay. He is getting each and everything. All the thing he is getting. He don't have to go out. He has to go out, but he lives a very comfortable life. अच्छी सी लाइफ वो live कर रहा था. From the birth only he was having 2 swan, which were nested there. Nested means उसे वहां
पाला हुआ।
रखा था. पाला हुआ. Very good.
पाला
So he when since his birth, जब से उसका जन्म हुआ तब से. Okay. So now what happened? Once in the evening, he used to go daily outside. Outside his kingdom. Kingdom के बाहर one garden था. In that garden, daily he used to go and sit there. He take a walk. He go and play there, and he likes to watch the animals. उसे animals बहुत पसंद थे. So each and every evening he used to go and sit there near the lake. He plays there. वो खेलता था and even he was playing with the animals also. Right or wrong?
राइट राइट
Okay,
राइट।
very good. So what happened now? Once in the evening he was walking near the lake. He saw that over his head means over his head मतलब
उसने देखा कि
उसके सर के ऊपर से above his head. Overhead means उसके head के ऊपर से above his head 3 wild swan were flying. How many beautiful 3 wild swan? याद रखना it is wild. यहाँ के नहीं थे बेटा. Okay. So from that one of the swan started falters. क्या हुआ उसमें से एक क्या करने लगा? He started faltering. Faltering means हम लोग suppose भागते, we are running, and suddenly we stop running. तो क्या होगा? हम लोग क्यों भागना छोड़ देते हैं? Why we are stopping to run?
क्योंकि हम थक गए हैं।
थक गए, we are tired. Okay, but we tired, we are not tired, then also we are stopping up. हम थके नहीं, then also we are stopping up, we are not running suddenly, और वहां गिर जाते हैं, we are falling down. Why? Why we are falling
सर
down?
आप ही बता दो।
मैं ही
आप ही
बता दूं।
सर वो है ना उसके जो उसका जो वीक था ना उस पे उसको है ना वो नहीं कहते तीर वो लगी थी।
But that only I am telling you बेटा कि suppose हम लोग भागते हैं, भागते भागते हम रुक जाते हैं, we are falling down. Why we are falling down? Because we are injured. हमें लगा है. Yes or no? हमें लगता है
यस
तो हम क्या होता है? We are stopping running.
हम रुक जाते हैं और
रुक
मम्मी
जाते
पापा
हम
के
लोग,
पास
गिर
जाते
जाते
हैं।
हैं, बैठ जाते हैं. Immediately we are sitting down. Okay, like this also thing happened with the bird. One of the swan started faltering. Faltering means जो fly कर रहा था वो stop कर दिया and he has fallen down. Seeing this, what did Siddha see? Oh, what happened to the bird? Something is happened. कुछ तो हुआ है. That bird has fallen down. So he slowly went to that bird. He has seen that the bird was injured. Okay, his bird is injured and his wings have been injured. Somebody has shoot the arrow. तो एरो क्या कर रहा था? वो स्लोली एरो निकाल रहा था. ओके, नाउ लेट अस go with the next page. Okay, everybody can see the screen.
यस
Yes, sir.
सर।
Very good. चलो, nice. Okay, somebody is having the textbook, so you can see there. So now what happened? So Devdatta came. Who has shoot the arrow? किसने एरो मारा था?
देवदत्त ने।
Devdatta shoot the arrow. So Devdatta came fast. He see that the Siddharth is holding the injured swan. Injured swan को hold कर रहा था. Then Siddharth say, "What have you done? You have harmed a defenseless bird." Defenseless bird मतलब क्या? Birds cannot fight. Birds are having their hands.
No.
उसके पास hands होते हैं?
नो
No. So
नो
how he
उसके
can
पास
defend
विंग्स
it?
होते
How he can defend? He cannot defend it. So
फाइट।
तो देवदत्त ने क्या कहा? That is my son. I shoot it. Give it to me. What did he say? It is my swan. I have shoot it. Give it to me. Siddharth, you can't have it. It's a wild swan. It does not belong to you. Wild swan this belongs to nobody. किसी को belong करता है wild swan?
नो
No. Something that does not belongs to anybody. किसी को belong नहीं करता. That is the thing. So Devdatta angrily said, I shoot it. So it's mine. Everyone in this kingdom knows that जो शूट करता है वो स्वान उसका. Yes or no?
यस
जिसने शूट
Yes.
किया, जिसने मारा, something got it, that belongs to that person. So Siddharth say, you are right. This is the law of our kingdom. But the swan isn't dead. It's injured and I want to help it get well again. What was the rules of the kingdom? Kingdom के rules क्या थे? Nobody is there to speak. कोई बोलने वाला नहीं है?
Sir, can
यस,
मैंने से
वो स्वान इंजर्ड नहीं, वो मरा हुआ नहीं था, वो सिर्फ इंजर्ड था, इसलिए वो
I know, but
उसका
what was the
नाम
rule of the kingdom? What was the law of the kingdom?
वो है ना किंगडम का रूल था कि है ना जो किल करे ना वो उसका।
Very good. So the law of the kingdom was those who are shoot, those who will shoot it, it belongs to them. But what did Siddharth said? It is not dead. वो अभी तक मरा नहीं है. He is living. He is not dead. So both the boys started arguing. Arguing में एक सामने दूसरा बोलने लगा. So Siddharth said, "Stop. This is not helping. Let's go and ask the wise minister to help us settle this." तब वो लोग कहाँ गए? Where did they went? Where did they went? They went to the
वाइस मिनिस्टर के
wise
पास।
minister who will give the decision. Okay. Now here from here, the scene second starts. Okay, सारा फातिमा read करो.
यस
आगे
सर।
सारा फातिमा start reading.
फर्स्ट लाइन से सर।
Yeah, first line.
यस सर। ए मीटिंग हॉल इन द
Palace.
palace the minister are busy discussing
Amongst themselves.
among themselves. They look up in surprise when they see Prince Siddharth and Prince Devdan.
Okay, very good. So in the meeting hall, you know what is the kingdom's meeting? Palace में meeting कहाँ होती है? In a hall where you can see a big chair is there of the king. Beside them, sides में वहाँ बैठे होते all the ministers. All of them are having their own chair. They were discussing inside about the meeting only, but they were surprised. They were surprised. Why they were surprised? Because when they see Prince Siddharth and Prince Devdatta in the kingdom, वो भी meeting hall में आए थे. So all of them were very surprised. सब लोग very surprised थे. Surprise means बहुत ही shocked थे. Why this Prince Siddharth and Devdatta has come to the meeting hall? Okay, Bojani Zainab,
यस सर।
start reading from Minister 1.
ओके सर। मिनिस्टर 1 टू
Loud
प्रिंस
here.
सिद्धार्थ। मिनिस्टर 1 टू प्रिंस सिद्धार्था, what brings you here? What brings you here, O revered prince?
Yes, Minister
Minister
2.
to Prince Siddhartha, why do you carry an injured swan in your arms? Siddhartha, we have come to ask you to help us settle and dispute. The ministers listen as Prince Siddhartha and Prince Devdatta tell them what happened.
Okay, very
Devdatta,
good.
oh
Thank you.
wise
Thank you.
minister.
Okay, stop it. Okay, so what happened now? Minister 1 means he is asked to Prince Siddharth. किसे पूछा था? Minister 1 was asking to Prince Siddharth. What brings you here, O revered prince? So, what is the meaning of revered? Means respect. Because king's son has been respected. King's son should be respected. Ministers are there. What are there? Ministers कौन है? They are the workers of the king. They gives ideas in each and everything to the king. So by respecting, they say, Minister 2 to Prince Siddharth, why do you carry an injured swan in your arms? Who asked this? किसने पूछा था?
Minister 2.
सिद्धार्थ को पूछा था. किसने पूछा था? Who has asked him?
Minister 2.
Minister 2. That why you are carrying an injured swan in your arms? Why? Any problem? Siddharth, we have come to ask you to help us settle the dispute. Why did king came there? Siddharth and Devdatta both came to the kingdom's hall meeting. मीटिंग हॉल में आए थे. वो क्यों आए थे? Why did they both come in the meeting? Nobody is answering.
सर क्वेश्चन फिर से बोलो ना.
बेटा, why did Prince Devdatta and Prince Siddharth has come to meeting hall?
क्योंकि है ना उन दोनों में फाइटिंग हो गई थी कि किसका स्वाम है.
Okay, there was a dispute. There was a dispute. Dispute means you can see it is there. A disagreement. Disagreement means both were not agree. Both were not agree. कोई भी agree नहीं था. Nor Siddharth, nor neither Siddharth nor Devdatta. दोनों में से कोई भी agree नहीं था. So the minister listened as Prince Siddharth and Prince Devdatta tell them what happened. Now all the story was repeated. Full story was repeated. When something is happening, दोनों के बीच में लड़ाई होती है, तो कोई स्टोरी तो होती है ना बेटा. डायरेक्ट ऐसी लड़ाई होती है. डायरेक्टली दे आर फाइटिंग.
प्रॉब्लम होती है.
लड़ाई किस बात पे होती है? कुछ तो हुआ होगा तो ही लड़ाई होती है ना बेटा.
स्वाम किसका है कि जब देवदत्त ने स्वाम को मारा था तो सिद्धार्थ ने ले लिया, उस बात पे ना दोनों पे लड़ाई हुई स्वाम के वजह.
वही बोल रहा हूँ बेटा. If you are coming to the class, the teacher is coming to the class, immediately you are starting complaining about the other student. दूसरे स्टूडेंट के बारे में तुम कंप्लेन करने स्टार्ट कर देते हो, तो व्हाट विल द टीचर डू और सर विल डू?
पहले से सारी बातें सुनेंगे.
सर और टीचर विल फर्स्ट लिसन टू द स्टोरी. पहले बात सुनेंगे ना. व्हाट हैपेंड टू द स्टोरी, व्हाट वाज द थिंग गोइंग ऑन, क्यों दोनों फाइट किए, व्हाई यू आर गिविंग द, or we can say why you are arguing with them, both the friends to each other. क्यों कंप्लेन करते हो? फर्स्ट टीचर विल लिसन. नो. So like this it is happened. The ministers first have listened to the story. Okay, Alia Fatima, read it. Bukhari Alia. Alia Bukhari Alia is there or not there? Okay, Halari Alia.
Yes sir.
बेटा रीड करो. स्टार्ट रीडिंग.
Okay sir. No please.
ओह, उसके पहले की लाइन बेटा, उस फर्स्ट लाइन.
Oh wish ministries please make.
What is first? पहले क्या है?
Devdatta.
That you have to read it first. Directly you are going with the sentence. No, it is Devdatta.
Devdatta, oh wish ministries.
Oh wise ministers.
Oh my wish ministries, please make Prince Siddharth leave.
1 minute, Alia, you are not reading properly. Oh wise ministers.
O wise ministers,
Then
please make Princess Siddharth see sense.
see sense.
See sense.
Then come on, read it fast, beta. We are not having that much time. Okay, read it, Dahlia. You read it. Haryani Sakina. Haryani Sakina. Jamani Insia.
Yes, sir.
Let us start reading.
Okay, sir. Devdatta, O wise ministers, please make Prince Siddharth see sense. Siddharth, no, please make Prince Devdatta realize what is right and what is wrong. Devdatta, I shot the swan, so it rightfully belongs to me.
Okay,
Minister,
very good. Okay, thank you. So what said? Devdatta said to Siddharth, they were telling to the minister, please make Prince Siddharth see sense. Means what it is see sense means he was telling that make Siddharth understood what is the thing, what is the story, what I have done. Because Devdatta has shoot the swan. किसने शूट किया था? किसने शूट
Devdatta,
किया था?
Devdatta,
देवदत्ता ने.
Devdatta.
So Devdatta has shoot the swan, so it belongs to him. But Siddhartha is not going to give back. Then what did Siddhartha say? Please make Prince Devdatta realize what is right and what is wrong. Now said, किसने बोला था कि make Prince Devdatta realize, मतलब समझाओ, make him understand what is right and what is wrong. Because Siddharth was also right. सिद्धार्थ भी राइट था ना. You have shoot it, but swan मर गया था. Did the swan died?
No.
Swan was not dead. He was only just injured. वो खाली injured हुआ था. He was not dead. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So Devdatta says, I shoot the swan. So it rightfully belongs to me. That is right. It belongs to you only. But was swan dead? Was swan dead? स्वान मर चुका था.
No, Swam, not dead.
No.
It's over injury था.
इंजर्ड था. वेरी गुड. चलो कड़वाणी शबनम.
Yes, sir.
स्टार्ट रीडिंग फ्रॉम मिनिस्टर 3.
Okay, sir. To Prince Siddhartha, it is indeed the law of the kingdom that an animal or a bird rightfully belongs to whoever shoots it.
चलो चलो रीड इट.
Siddhartha argued, that would be so if it was dead. But I saved it. It is wounded, but it is still alive.
Okay, so as I said, okay, what is the law of the kingdom? Law of the kingdom was that animal or bird is shoot, but rightfully belongs to the person who is the shooter. Those who have shoot it, it belongs to that only. जिसने मारा उसका. But what did Siddharth said? कि ये मरा नहीं था. I have saved him. I have saved him. It is wounded, but it is still alive. He is not dead. Okay, now let us see. Who will read now? 1 minute. Advani Shabnam has read it. Now comes to Kapasi Sukun.
Yes, sir.
Start reading, beta.
All the ministers discussing am, among themselves.
Among themselves.
We will have a deliberate over this carefully. This is the first time a case like this has been brought to us.
Brought to
Both
us. Brought to us.
both are right in their arguments.
Yes,
I
continue.
think we should ask the king for his advice. Minister 2. That will be the right thing to do. The king's decisions will be final.
Okay, very good. So what
In
happened?
3. All the
Okay,
ministers
okay.
along
Stop.
with
Stop. But once I said okay means you are not going to read, okay? So here all the ministers started discussing inside only. They were discussing inside only. This much case it came first time. This case came first time in this kingdom. पहली बार आया था. First on time only. Like this case never been has come. Like this case never came before. ऐसा केस तो कभी तक नहीं आया था. Okay. Both were right. Both were right. Both की argument same थी. Okay, same means it is both the arguments were right. King Siddharth was also right and King Devdatta was also right. Now all the ministers cannot give the decision, right? बराबर ना, दोनों सही होते तो डिसीजन दे सकते हैं. दे सकते हैं कि नहीं दे सकते?
नहीं दे सकते.
It is a confusion. Even teacher listens to both the story. Both की argument सुनेंगे. Both the arguments are right. So even teacher cannot give the decision. So this decision goes to where? इसका डिसीजन कौन देगा फिर?
Principal.
Principal. Very good. So like this also, what happened that in this also ministers cannot give the decision. They are not able to give the decision. So what did said? I think we should ask the king for his advice. Now whose advice they are going to take? तो किसकी एडवाइस लेने वाले थे?
King.
King, because king is the superior. He gives the decision that is right. Okay, so yes, that will be the right thing to do. The king's decision will be final. So they were waiting for the king. तो king के लिए wait कर रहे थे. They are waiting for the king. So after that, what the decision the king will give, that will be the right decision. So here is the end of the second scene. Second scene यहाँ पे हमारा end हो गया. Second scene is over. So one by one I will tell you. As I tell you the name, you may start leaving. Okay? ठीक है? Okay. Sara Fatima.
Yes, sir.
बस प्रेजेंट यस सर ओके लेफ्ट हो जाओ हाँ बम्बेरा नाहिया
Yes, sir.
हाँ लेफ्ट हो जाओ भोजानी जैनब
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड लेफ्ट हो जाओ बुखारी आलिया
Yes, sir.
ओके हालारी आलिया
Present, sir.
हरियाणी सकीना लेफ्ट हो जाओ बेटा
Present, sir.
जिसका नाम बोलूं जिसका नाम बोलूं वो लेफ्ट हो जाना हाँ, बेटा हरियाणी सकीना जमानी इंसिया
Bye, sir.
गढ़वाणी शबनम कपासी सुकून
Present, sir.
लाखानी फातिमा
Present, sir.
मसानी सकीना
Present, sir. खुदा
हाँ मर्चेंट सकीना एस नकवी कुम फातिमा
Present, sir.
नकवी मिसबा फातिमा नकवी शिफा फातिमा
Present, sir.
पंजवाणी फातिमा पठान मुस्कान ओके रूपाणी आफरीन
Present, sir.
ओके सैयद मिनशा फातिमा
Present, sir.
ओके राजानी कनीस
Present, sir.
ओके now anybody is remaining कोई